How to buy citizenship to travel the world. Your ultimate guide in 2025. Buying citizenship, often called citizenship by investment, is a growing trend for those seeking freedom, mobility, and opportunities. Imagine skipping visa queues, gaining access to over 140 countries, and traveling without borders. This guide explores how you can legally purchase citizenship, unlock the world, and travel effortlessly in 2025. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. So why would anyone consider buying citizenship? The answer lies in the numerous benefits it provides. A second passport can open doors to visa-free travel, enhanced global mobility, tax advantages, and lifestyle upgrades. It's about eliminating the hassle of visa applications and long wait times at borders. Additionally, these programs are entirely legal and recognized by governments worldwide, which makes them a legitimate path to becoming a global citizen. Several countries offer attractive citizenship by investment programs. Here are some of the top options for 2025. 1. St. Kitts and Nevis. Investment starting at $125,000. Benefits: visa-free travel to over 150 countries, including the EU and UK. 2. Dominica. Investment starting at $100,000. Benefits: affordable program with one of the fastest application processes and visa-free travel to 113 countries. 3. Malta. Investment starting at $750,000. Benefits: access to all EU countries, visa-free travel to 169 countries, and a high standard of living. 4. Turkey. Investment: $400,000 in real estate. Benefits: quick citizenship process, strong global connections, and visa-free travel to 126 countries. The process of obtaining a second passport may seem complex at first, but it becomes manageable when broken into detailed steps. Here's a closer look at the process and some examples to guide you. First, research and choose a program. The first step involves researching various citizenship by investment programs. Factors to consider include cost, visa-free travel options, residency requirements, and the speed of processing. For example, St. Kitts and Nevis is a popular choice for its low investment threshold and fast approval process, while Malta appeals to those seeking access to the European Union, albeit at a higher cost. If your primary goal is global mobility on a budget, Dominica is one of the best options due to its affordability and straightforward process. Second, make the investment. Depending on the program you choose, the type of investment can vary. Common investment methods include government donations. For example, Dominica requires a minimum donation of $100,000 to its Economic Diversification Fund. Real estate investment programs like Turkey's require purchasing property worth at least $400,000. This option is ideal for those who want a tangible asset as part of their investment. Government bonds or business investments. Malta allows for investments in bonds or shares, which can suit those seeking long-term returns. Real estate investments are often the most strategic option because they provide an asset that may appreciate over time. However, donations are faster and simpler for those who prioritize convenience. Third, background check. Governments conduct rigorous due diligence to ensure applicants have clean criminal and financial records. This step protects the integrity of the program and reassures host countries that only credible individuals are granted citizenship. For instance, applicants to Malta's program undergo one of the most thorough background checks in the industry. Advice: work with reputable legal advisors to ensure all your documentation is in order before submitting your application. Fourth, submit application and wait for approval. Once your investment and documents are in place, you can submit your application. Processing times vary by country. For example, St. Kitts and Nevis approval in as little as 3 months. Malta takes around 12 to 16 months due to its detailed checks. Patience is key during this step as each program's timeline reflects the thoroughness of their vetting process. Fifth, receive citizenship and passport. Upon approval, you'll be issued citizenship and a passport, granting you access to the benefits outlined in your chosen program. This moment signifies the culmination of your investment and opens the door to global opportunities. For those seeking the fastest turnaround, St. Kitts and Nevis is the best choice. However, if EU access is your priority, Malta, despite its longer process, is worth the wait. Becoming a global citizen through Citizenship-by-Investment is a life-changing decision. It offers unparalleled travel freedom, financial flexibility, and peace of mind. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone seeking a new lifestyle, investing in a second passport can truly be your gateway to the world. However, it's important to carefully weigh the costs against the benefits. Consulting with experts can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your personal and professional goals. If this guide helped you better understand the process and benefits of buying citizenship, don't forget to share it, subscribe, and stay tuned for more travel tips and hacks.